In this video, I'm going to talk about Tellurium, which is a new testing and automation tool. As you can see, they're still in beta. You can get there by going to te52.com. Their whole claim to fame is that you can write tests and automations using plain English, basically making it available to anybody to be able to write these tests or automations. The key is that it's not plain English in that you can just sit down and start writing. It's actually a library of commands that are all using plain English, which makes it easier for people to grasp, but it also makes it easier for you to share your tests or your automations with other people because they can see the tests, they can see the results, they can understand what it is that's going on and what it is that you're checking, which is kind of cool. They have a bunch of features you can check out, and they're also available for free right now. So definitely worth checking out because of that. In this video, I'm going to try to see if it is just as easy as they claim and try to write a test and have it running in less than a minute. So we'll see how that goes. And the test is just going to go to the website, te52.com. We'll try typing something in the email field, something in the password field, and clicking login, seeing what happens, taking some screenshots. So over here, I'm already logged in. I'm on my dashboard. If I had any sort of scheduled runs, I would see them here. I could see my most recent runs. I could see tests that I've been working on, which is cool. But let's see if we can do this. So I'll come on over to my stopwatch. We'll click Start, jump over, click Write a Test. Whenever you go to write a test, they give you an example test to get started. So if I just wanted to change a few things here, then I could, but we're not going to do that. We're going to go ahead and start from scratch. So we'll say for the URL, te52.com. When the login field is tester and the password field is password, then take a screenshot. When the login button is clicked, then a new page is opened, and take a screenshot. So there's my test. It's in plain English. I can go ahead and click Run, and I'll go ahead and stop the stopwatch at this point. So less than a minute from write to run, which is great. What it's actually doing right now is it's going off, opening a web browser, and performing the actions just like I would if I was going to do this test manually. And you can see that you get some plain English results, and we also get the screenshots that we asked for, which is cool. So if I click on the screenshots to actually see if it was doing what it is that I asked it to do, the first screenshot that shows up was the one that I asked it to take after typing in something in the login and password field. So in this case, I see the entire page. If I click on it, it will allow me to zoom in. So in this case, I can see it actually did type tester into the login field. It typed something into the password field. And then the next screenshot that I took was after actually clicking the login button. And in this case, it took me to a page where it said that I had the incorrect email or password, which of course I did because I wasn't using actual credentials. But that's it. I mean, it's that simple to write a test, get some screenshots, see some proof. I could save this test. I could run it as frequently as I want. I could set up a schedule to have it run every minute if I wanted to, which is really cool. But yeah, so that's Tellurium. There's a lot of other features that maybe I'll try to cover in some other videos. But it's free right now, te52.com. Definitely worth checking it out. I'm going to go play with this a little bit more. But thanks.